Hello everyone, welcome back to the next section. So in this section we gonna take a look at to remove the dark under eyes. So here you can see this is the dark, so we gonna remove this brilliantly. So let's make a copy of this layer by pressing Ctrl J, or just you can drag like this. Then the next thing you want to do is make a new layer, empty layer, and keep it in between these two layers. Then we can select this one and go to filter and make it or convert to smart filters, because we're gonna apply a filter here. Then select this this layer, then go to filter, then others and high pass. So when it's 0 or 0.11, then seek this higher, and when you are start seeing the darks under eyes or this portion perfectly, you can keep here. Okay, this is enough. Then the next thing we want to do is just change the blending mode to overlay, then we can see this image. Okay, so we are completed around 50 or 70%. Then select this layer or the empty layer and choose the brush tool. The brush tool has to be selected, or before doing that we have to select the eyedropper tool first, and sample as a sampling, make sure to set current and below, and the sample size make sure to keep it 5 by 5 average, and we can sample a color, a perfect color for the eyes. Select this color. Okay, then select the brush tool and we can arrange the flow value. Here I listed is 6, it's really low value, and drag like this, and the brush size goes 20, or you can make it higher, no problem. Look at that, drag like this. It's going. Look at that. And let me go back, and this was the previous one. Let me take a snapshot of this one. This was the editor, so the previous one, then editor, remove the dark circles perfectly. Look at that, before and after. So what we did, we made just a copy of this layer, then made an empty layer, then we changed into a smart filter and applied high pass smart filter. Then we edited, or we selected the empty layer, and we just selected the eyedropper tool and changed the sampling to current and below, then with a 5 by 5 average sample size, and we choose the brush tool, and we also sample a color, a better color, then we change the black color from under eyes. So I hope it more helpful. This looks more realistic, or this perfect. Thank you.